what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna talk about, I am gonna talk about how you can identify the crazy drivers on the road and how you can just get yourself saved if you are driving on the road, because there are so many people who are just driving crazy. So you just don't want to mess with those people who are just driving crazy, because they are just gonna make everything that you did wrong and it's just not gonna be good. They're just gonna make everything sounds like you did something wrong, so you just don't want to mess up with them. So you can just have a dash cam in your car, which is gonna help you a lot, because that's a really nice thing if you are gonna have a dash cam. If you have a dash cam, and let's think like this is just imagination, like you are driving a car and while you are driving somebody just slams on the brake, and then you are slamming on the brake and all the lights come up, ABS, all of that is just coming up on the dash, and as soon as you feel like you're gonna hit them up, you are just stopped. So if in that case, if you hit them up, then it's just like insurance and cops are gonna come, and then it's just gonna come on you because you were driving at the back. So you just have to pay for all of that, and it's not good. So if you have a dash cam, you will just be able to save yourself from all of that situation. Then you can just tell the cops that the guy in front of you who is just like a crazy driver, he slammed on his brakes, then you slammed on your brakes, and you just got into the accident and the clash happened. So you just can explain all of this. If you have dash cam, it is just going to help you a lot, because there are way too many crazy people who are just driving on the road and they just don't care about anything. So you don't want to deal with that. I don't like to deal with that. So eventually I'll be just buying a dash cam because it helps a lot. Like if you are in an accident, it just helps a lot, and you don't have to pay for a lot of stuff. Yeah, they are just gonna pay for you, and that's gonna be nice. Like, yeah, you can just come out of that situation really easily. So you can just do these things and you can just save yourself. Like having a dash cam just helps you a lot, and I am pretty sure that I'll be also getting a dash cam at some point. At this point I just want to get some other stuff before having a dash cam, but you definitely need to have a dash cam, and I'll be buying one because it helps a lot. Let's see what's gonna happen. Like, I hope I'm not gonna face that situation in which I just have to slam my brakes and something bad happens to my car, because I don't think I'll be able to get that, because that is gonna be a really horrible situation for me at least. Yeah, I don't know about the other person. Like, I don't know if he have multiple cars, and if he don't care about how he's driving on the road, he can just let that car and he can just drive another car. I don't know the situation of him, but I know my situation, so I don't want to get into that situation. So it's just like, yeah, I would like to have a dash cam, and I recommend you to have a dash cam. Like, I have seen so many people who are just driving crazy and they are just speeding all the way, like they are doing 60 in 10, and that is just like an absurd speed. Like they are 50 over, so you cannot say anything to them, but they are just like slamming the brakes on the roads when they are driving 60 in a 10 lane. So that is just like horrible. So I just don't want that to happen, because that have happened to me before. Like when I was driving other car, some people just came and they were just driving so fast and they slammed their brake and they just went into our car, and our car got smashed from behind, and we weren't able to do anything because we didn't had a dash cam. So that's the thing. Like, I would love to have a dash cam at some point, because I know to repair the back of your car is just gonna cost a lot. You need to change your bumper, your tail lights, your trunk, and a lot of that jazz, and you don't want anything bad to happen, because if something bad happens, something bad than this happens, then it is just gonna be really bad situation for you. So I'm like positive that's not gonna happen, and I'll be getting a dash cam after some time, and it's just gonna be really nice. So I just recommend you. I have told you multiple times in this video that you should get a dash cam, and I'll be getting a dash cam too. I have also told this multiple times. So that's just like a normal thing that happens sometimes. So I just want to address this thing, because that happens a lot on the road while you are driving. So it's just like for your safety and for your car safety and all of that, for your insurance and claiming your insurance, it just gets really easy if you have a dash cam. There are multiple times I have faced those situations. Like, yeah, I'm driving a car, and few days ago I was just driving, my friend was driving a car and I was in his car, and he was just driving normally. Like, he was driving 40 in a 60 lane. So he was well under the speed limit, so he was driving slowly, and we were just like, yeah, we are gonna slow it down. As soon as we stepped on the brake, like, yeah, you just need some time to stop the car. So as soon as we stepped on the brake and our car was stopping, a biker just came in front of us and we smashed him. Like, that was a really nice thing, that he didn't got a lot of injuries. That was just really nice. And if we had the dash cam at that time, it would be a really nice thing. And that person was a bit old, so it was just like an okay thing. Like, yeah, we deal with him and we don't call the cops, and that was just like a chill thing. Like, yeah, we got a car fixed, he paid for all of that, so that was a nice thing. Like, yeah, we got out of that situation pretty nicely. But still, if you are in that situation and the other person is gonna be real hard. So I have faced multiple of these situations. That's why I am recommending a dash cam, and I also recommend myself, like, yeah, I'll be buying it. So you just need to do that, and that will be awesome if you are just gonna do that. So I'm pretty sure you guys are just gonna learn something from this, and you will just buy a dash cam, or you will do something to save yourself from these kind of situations, because wherever you go, people are crazy. Like, yeah, they drive crazy. Most of the people are just driving crazy, so you don't want to face them. So dash cam is a really nice option to have, and to save yourself and to save your car and to save all of your money if you are in that accident. It's just gonna help you. So I hope you learned something and you'll apply something from this video, and that would be really nice. If somebody saved his car or his money or himself, like, yeah, life is also on the border. Like, yeah, life is also there. Like, if you are in a really bad wreck, you could also die, so you don't want that to happen. So if you learned something, that would be really nice. And thank you guys for watching this video. Guys, just subscribe to my channel because that helps me a lot, and just like this video if you learned something from this video, because that's a really nice thing. And I would like to see if you have some question, you can just comment down below, and that would be really nice. I would love to answer your questions. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.